In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Alibaba. We'll walk through the quickest way to reach the right place and clearly state your case so you can get help fast. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Alibaba. Click the official Alibaba.com result. If you're already signed in, great. If not, head to the sign in area and log in with your account. Use your usual credentials on the secure login page, and if you have two-step verification, complete that as well. After you're in, you'll land on your buyer dashboard. From here, look for the orders icon. This section shows your recent purchases and is the best starting point because your dispute will be tied to a specific order. Opening it helps you confirm order numbers, dates, and supplier details you may need to reference. Next, go to the RFQs area. RFQ stands for Request for Quotation, and even though it's primarily used for sourcing, it's also part of the Buyer Tools menu that links to support options. Don't worry if you don't plan to post an RFQ, we're simply using this path to reach help quickly. Inside that area, select Customer Service. This brings up Alibaba's support interface where you can chat with an agent or a guided bot. It's the official channel to request dispute assistance, so everything you share is recorded alongside your account. In the chat box, type a clear opening line like, "I want to open a dispute." This cue tells the system what you need and routes you to the appropriate workflow. You may be prompted to choose the relevant order, so it helps to have the order number handy from the orders page. Finally, explain your problem. Be concise but complete. Describe what you ordered versus what you received or outline shipping delays, damage, or missing items. Include specifics such as the order number, product name, dates, quantities, and what resolution you're seeking, like a refund, replacement, or partial credit. If you have photos, tracking screenshots, or invoices, mention that they're available and be ready to upload them when asked. Stick to factual language and avoid speculation. This makes your case easier to verify. Once your explanation is submitted, follow any prompts you receive and keep an eye on your messages for updates. That's it. Now you've started the dispute process through Alibaba's customer service channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.